brine solution?
NaOH.
Brine solution is not NaOH. That is concentrated sodium chloride. It's called brine solution. Okay, it is also called brine solution. Now, whenever we are going to discuss about the aqueous solution, the number of ions which are present will be increased. How? Two ions come from sodium chloride, which is sodium ion, and chloride ion. And two ions comes from aqueous solution. Aqua means water. It consists of two ions, positive ion and negative ion. So in total we have four ions, two positive and two negative. Clear? Now we have to decide which will move towards anode and which will move towards cathode, because we have two positive and two negative ion. Whenever we discuss about the cations, cation discharging depends upon reactivity series. Reactivity series of metals. Reactivity series of metals. And least reactive metal always discharge first. Least reactive metal always discharge first. So whenever we are going to compare sodium and hydrogen, whenever we are going, do you have the sheet which I have given you, reactivity of metals? I have given a huge paper in which the reactivity of all the metals is provided in it. So no problem, I am going to show it later on. Whenever we are going to compare between sodium and hydrogen, hydrogen is less reactive than sodium.
Yes.
So hydrogen will discharge first. So what will be the reaction at cathode? H plus ion will gain electron and convert into H. But still it is incomplete. Why?
Diatomic.
Because hydrogen is diatomic. Two hydrogen, two electron will form H2. Is it clear? Again I am repeating that the cation discharging depend upon reactivity series, and least reactive will discharge first. Among sodium and hydrogen, hydrogen is less reactive, so it will discharge first and deposit it at cathode. Now proceed to anode. Here again we have two negative ions, chloride ion and OH ions. So when you have halide ion in solution, what is meant by halide? Chloride, bromide, iodide, all group 7 elements, when they gain electron, they convert from halogen to halides. Chloride, bromide, iodine. Whenever we have halide ion in solution, we are going to observe whether the reaction is concentrated or dilute. In dilute solution, OH will discharge. In concentrated solution, chloride will discharge. Right? When we have halide ion in solution, we are going to observe whether the solution is dilute or concentrated. If the solution is dilute, which means we have more OH ion, so they will discharge first. If the solution is concentrated, which means we have more chloride ion, so they will discharge first. Here we have concentrated solution, which means we have more chloride ion, and here chloride ion will discharge to make this equation. Again it is incomplete equation. Why? Because chlorine is diatomic. Two chloride, two electrons will form Cl2. So what is the observation at cathode and at anode? What you observe at cathode? Hydrogen gas is a colorless gas, so you can write the bubbles or effervescence. And what is the color of green gas?
Yellow.
Green gas. Okay.